Did you know that over $1 billion of digital products are sold every single day? Now, I know that that sounds like a made-up stat, but according to a study by Global Market Insights, the e-learning industry and digital products industry was $399 billion in 2022. And that's not just a COVID boom either. That same research firm is still seeing growth in the sector, and they're estimating that it will be $1 trillion a year market in 2032. That's almost $3 billion a day in digital products being sold. And before you think that this is just people selling courses to other people on how to sell courses, we're going to take a look at Alex Matthias. You see, Alex has a YouTube channel dedicated to playing the saxophone, and he gives away digital products in the form of sheet music to generate leads for his online music school. And over the past few years, Alex has taught thousands of people how to start playing the saxophone or how to get better at the saxophone, and has enrolled hundreds of students in his higher level coaching and mastermind programs. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Dom, and I've been an affiliate marketer and digital product creator since 2019, and have sold over $1 million of my own digital products since 2021. And in this video, we're gonna cover why selling digital products is a great way to add profit to your business, a really easy way to create a digital product in a day and then start getting your first couple of sales really quickly, and then finally, how to use those digital products to create an endless stream of higher ticket clients. So make sure that you stick around. And first, let's talk about why digital products are a great way to add profit to your business. If you're a service provider, you know the feeling of being a slave to your clients. You know that unless you're actively working on a project or completing a job, you're not getting paid. If you miss a day of work for something, you've lost money. If you take a vacation, you've lost money. If a client cancels a job and you don't have another job lined up, you've just lost a bunch of money. But that's not the case with digital products. See, digital products are something that you can create once and then sell over and over and over again with just about a zero cost of delivery. And if you can pair that with either organic content or ads, it becomes a recipe for an income stream that's totally detached from your time. That means that you can sell digital products passively while you're on vacation, at your kids' games, or even while you sleep. And the best part of all of this is that you likely have a profitable digital product right up here, and you might not realize it yet. Now, I want you to take the idea that just popped in your head and realize that that knowledge can be sold for between $5 and $50 repeatedly, depending on how complex it is. If you're an experienced event photographer, do you have a shot list that you go and basically check off at every event that you shoot? Or if you're a designer, are there certain design principles that you always make sure that you incorporate with every room that you design? And even if you're unsure or you don't have a business yet, I made something that's gonna help you easily uncover that profitable knowledge. Let's go take a look. All right, so we're here inside of the Digital Product Creation Assistant GPT that I created for you. All you have to do to use it is click on the conversation starter, and it's gonna start to prompt you for some questions that are asking you all about your past life experiences and all of your current skills. This is gonna help you determine what skills you have that you can turn into a digital product. All you're gonna have to do then is answer the questions, and it's gonna help you start crafting that into a digital product. Now, I have a link to this GPT down below in the video. You can go access it there for free. And then once you have an idea picked out, it can help you start fleshing out the content inside of this particular digital product. All we have to do then, after we have all the words and the content of the digital product, is to put it into a nice, clean, organized Google Doc. It doesn't have to be overly designed, just make sure that the content flows, there's relevant pictures, and everything is well laid out and organized. Then all we have to do is give it a title. And for this, I like to use ideogram.ai because it's a free tool and because they do the words a lot better than most other AI tools. So all we have to do here is once you create your ideogram.ai account, come over here, select your 3:4 aspect ratio. It's gonna give you kind of the ebook specs, and then come over to here and I just wanna say that I want a cover for an ebook titled, right, it's done in a rich illustrative art style. What you want, the title of your book, and then the style that you want, and then we just go ahead and we click generate. And about 10 seconds later, we have our book cover. Look at the quality of this one. The words are perfect. Everything here is able to be read. This is why I use this tool. If it's not right, go ahead and rework the prompt until you have something you're happy with. And once our digital product is created, we can now start to sell it. Now, to grab some quick sales out of the gate, I usually recommend people hop on Etsy or Gumroad or even on the Amazon KDP platform. The reason being is that these sites already have their own traffic that's being generated, and all you have to do is put your product in that traffic stream, and you should hopefully pick up a couple of sales here and there relatively quickly. The problem with this though, is that you don't truly own the traffic stream, you don't really truly own your business, and those platforms don't share customer information with you, the seller. And you can combat this by creating an extra freebie or an extra downloadable that's accessed by going to a web address inside of your digital product or by scanning a QR code. This will take people out of that digital product onto your website where they can put their information in to get the companion product for free. And now you've generated a lead from a platform that doesn't give you customer information. And while these type of platforms are really great at getting started and getting those first couple of sales, they just don't provide enough sales without any kind of promotion from you. The other strike against these platforms is that if you build your entire business on Amazon or you build your entire business over on Etsy, all it takes is one account suspension and you're toast. You're done. Back to zero. So for me, the best course of action was to self-host my own digital products and deliver them myself using a direct-to-consumer model. And I like to use a tool called meetemma.io, which is all-in-one marketing tool where I can build the sales funnel, host the product, and deliver it via email, all using the same program. And with the power of AI, I can load up my digital product and then build a sales page for it in seconds. Let's go see. Now, the first thing we have to do is we have to build the web page that's gonna actually sell our digital product that we wanna send people to. So to do that, we're gonna use meetemma.io and their brand new funnel AI feature. So we're gonna go here in the middle, click continue. All we have to do is tell it the name of our business and what kind of business that we're in. And this is now gonna build a web page that we can go ahead and drive traffic to.
A few moments later.
And in just a few minutes, you're gonna have a web page that you can upload your digital product to and begin selling from. However, we're gonna use another bit of AI to kind of clean up this copy and make some more sales copy. That second tool is gonna be this custom GPT that I found. I've actually linked it down below. It's not mine, I can't claim credit for it, but we're gonna use this to write a sales letter that we can go ahead and use on our sales page. Now, to use this, all we have to do is we have to just load our product here from our computer, and then we have to go ahead and ask it, can you write me a sales page for this ebook? And it's gonna go ahead and do its thing. And then once it's done, you can see that it created all of the parts necessary for a sales page. We've got our hero section up here. We've got a problem and solution down here. We've got more extra sub headlines. And all we have to do now is basically take the copy that this has created, and we have to copy it, and then all we have to do is paste it over into meetemma.io, and we can go ahead and we can use this copy on our page. Go here, we can copy and paste, and then so on and so forth coming down through there. Then we can go ahead, we can change our button, and then you'll see this, and you'll see that using this, you can build a sales funnel for your digital product in less than like an hour. And once this is done, you're now gonna be building an email list that you own when people start opting in and buying your digital products on this platform. This is gonna allow you to generate leads endlessly for your business without any kind of operational lift for your free offer. It's also going to introduce your leads to your processes and your values, so that way when they're ready to purchase or invest in higher ticket services of yours, they're already pre-sold. If you have an open slot on your client calendar or your service calendar, all it takes is an email to that list and saying, hey, I can take on one more client this month, and the people who are already on your list, already consuming your free stuff, are that much more likely to purchase because they've already experienced you in digital form. Hey, if you enjoyed this video and want more in-depth training or more hand-holding through this process, I suggest you check out my 90-day digital apprenticeship. I'll leave a link to it down below. That's gonna walk you through more step-by-step and more in-depth how to get your first digital product live and how to sell it on your own through content creation. And it also includes access to me in the form of weekly calls. And again, I'll leave a link to it down below. But if you wanna just watch more of me here on YouTube, I've actually put videos up here in the corners that you can check out. And either way, I will see you in another video.